Bihar wrapped up its first phase of voting for a new assembly today with 71 seats going to the polls on Wednesday amid tight security and strict COVID-19 protocols in place. Over 51% people cast their votes in the first phase of the three-phased assembly elections. This is the first major electoral exercise since the COVID-19 pandemic, and the verdict of this election is going to be a test of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's popularity. At a rally in Patna today, the Prime Minister told voters that just as they use masks to protect against COVID, so they must go out and vote today to prevent Bihar from bimari or disease, taking a shot at the opposition. Earlier this morning, the BJP filed a complaint with the Election Commission over a tweet from Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, in which it appears he is asking voters to vote only for the Mahagathbandhan in Bihar, in violation of the Model Code of Conduct. While polling went on, shrill campaigns were conducted in places that are yet to go to polls. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, while addressing crowds at Chanpatia constituency, said that today if people of West Champaran want to buy land in Jammu and Kashmir, they can do so. He added that the Congress had deprived them of this right. Bihar entered the polling day after a huge outcry over a killing in Munger during a Durga idol immersion procession. The opposition, including RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav and LJP's Chirag Paswan, trained guns on the Nitish Kumar-led government, calling his rule like Taliban and demanding action against the police. 5 seats to look out for in these elections are the BJP bastion of 30 years, Gaya; Dinara, where JDU Minister Jaikumar Singh faces BJP rebel, now LJP, Rajendra Singh. The Kehalgaon seat is a Congress stronghold. Of the 12 times that the Congress has won this seat, the party's Bihar unit chief Sadanand Singh has been declared winner 9 times. The Mokama Assembly seat, dominated by Bhumihar and Yadavs, has seen only local strongmen as its MLAs, so all eyes on whom the people choose this time. Meanwhile, the Lakhisarai seat will see a straight battle between the Congress and the BJP.